important sum for essay question. This is the very important essay question from the applications of derivatives. The question is, if the tangent at any point on the curve x power m into y power n is equals to a power m plus n meets the coordinate axis in a comma b, then show that AP is to PP is constant. So this is a given question. For example, these two are the coordinate axis. Suppose this is a given curve. Now this is the point on the curve P is equals to x1 y1. So first I take the given curve here. P is equals to x1 y1 is the point on the curve, and we take the tangent to the given curve at the point P. Suppose this is the tangent to the given curve at the given point. Now the tangent meets the coordinate axis at a comma b. So we take these 2 points as equals to a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Now what is the given question? Show that AP is to PP is constant. So this is the diagram of the question. So first I write the given data here. Given curve is x power m into y power n is equals to a power m plus n. So first we take one point on the curve. Suppose let P is equals to x1 y1 be any point on the curve. Let P is equals to x1 y1 be any point on the curve. Since this is the point on the curve, it satisfies the given curve. That is, therefore, x1 power m into y1 power n is equals to a power m plus n. Since it is a point on the curve, it satisfies the given curve. Now what is the given question? So to prove that AP is to BP is constant, first of all we want the equation of tangent. So what is the equation of tangent formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 is equals to x1 y1. Now what we want? Slope value. So to find the slope value, first we take the derivative here to the given curve. So write the given curve. X power m into y power n is equals to a power m plus n. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating this curve with respect to x. That is, d by dx of x power m into y power n is equals to d by dx of a power m plus n. That is, now this is UV rule. Product of the two functions, two variable functions, UV rule. That is x power m into y power n whole dash. What is UV rule formula? D by dx of UV is equals to, the formula is u into v dash plus v into u dash. So this is the formula of d by dx of uv. Now applying that formula here, u into v dash, x power m into y power n whole dash plus y power n into x power m whole dash is equals to d by dx of a power m plus n. So this is total value is equals to constant, and d by dx of constant is equal to 0. A is the constant, a derivative is equal to 0. So a power m plus n derivative equal to 0. Now this is x power m into y power n derivative. This is in the form of x power n. What is x power n derivative? N into x power n minus 1. That is n into y power n minus 1. But what is x value here? X is equal to y. That is, again we take the derivative of that y, dy by dx. X power n form n into x power n minus 1. But what is x here? Y. Again the derivative of y, that is dy by dx, plus y power n into, this is x power m. What is the derivative? M into x power m minus 1 is equal to 0. Which implies x power m into n into y power n minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to, writing this total value to this side, minus y power n into m into x power m minus 1. Therefore, the value of dy by dx is equals to minus y power n into m into x power m minus 1 by x power m into n into y power n minus 1. And this is equals to minus y power n into m into x power m by x. X power m minus 1 is equals to x power m by x. And this is x power m into n into, this is y power n by y. Now here x power m and x power m gets cancelled, y power n gets cancelled. What are the remaining values? Minus m by x by n by y. So this is equals to minus m by x into y by n. Just reverse the fraction. Therefore, the slope value is equals to minus my by nx. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to, therefore, slope is equals to minus my by nx. Now, this is the slope value. Now, we want the slope value at x1, y1 point. That is, slope at x1, y1 is equals to, slope value at x1, y1 is equals to, that is substituting that x1, y1 in this value, minus my1 by nx1. So, equation of tangent. Therefore, equation of tangent is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Now, substituting the values, y minus y1 is equals to, what is slope value? Minus my1 by nx1 into x minus x1. Now, writing this my1 to this side, that is, y minus y1 by my1 is equals to minus of x minus x1 by nx1. Writing the y terms at one side and x terms at one side. Separating the denominator, y by my1 minus y1 by my1 is equals to minus x by nx1 minus of minus plus x1 by nx1. Here x1 is cancelled and y1 is cancelled. Now, writing this x term to this side, that is x by nx1 plus y by my1. Just writing this x term to this side and y term this is. And this is equals to 1 by n plus writing this value to this side, 1 by m. That is, converting the line in the form of x term plus y term is equals to constant. So, this is equals to x by n x1 plus y by m y1 is equals to, just taking LCM, m plus n by mn. Now, converting this line into intercept form, that is dividing this total equation by the constant value, that is x by n x1 into m plus n by mn plus y by m y1 into m plus n by mn is equals to 1. Just dividing this total equation by this value, x by n x1 into this value plus y by m y1 into this value. Now, here n and n gets cancelled and here m and m gets cancelled. So, this is equals to, the remaining equation is equals to x by x1 into m plus n by m plus y by y1 into m plus n by n is equals to 1. Now, clearly this is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Just comparing with this equation, then what are the values of a comma b? A is equal to this value, x1 into m plus n by m, and b is equals to y1 into m plus n by n. So, these are the values of a comma b. Now, what are the points a comma b? Therefore, a is equals to the point a comma 0 and b is equal to point 0 comma b. Now, substituting the values, a is equals to x1 into m plus n by m comma 0 and b is equal to 0 comma y1 into m plus n by n. Now, what is p value? P is equal to x1 y1. Already we take that p is equals to x1 y1. Now, what is the given question? What is the ratio AP is to PB? Now, the direct formula for finding this ratio is equals to, the formula is x minus x1 is to x2 minus 6. So, this is the formula. Now, what are the values here? The x1, x2 are taken from the a comma b points. So, x1 is equal to this value, x2 is equal to 0. And what is x value? X is equals to x1. So, in this formula we substitute that x1, x2 is equal to these two values. x1, x2 are taken from the a comma b points and p from the point p we take the x value. So, this is x value. Now, this is the ratio formula. AP is to PB is equals to x minus x1 is to x2 minus 6. Now, substituting the values, what is x value? X is equal to x1 minus what is x1 value? x1 into n plus n by m is to x2. What is x2 value? 0 minus x. What is x value? x1. That is simply replacing the values. So, this is equals to, now taking LCM, mx1 minus mx1 minus nx1 by m is to minus x1. Now here mx1 gets cancelled. So this is equals to minus nx1 by m is to minus x1. Now cut the minus x1 also. What is this remaining value? What is the remaining value? N by m is to 1. N by m is to 1 is equals to n is to m. Therefore, the ratio AP is to PP is equals to n is to m. N is to m means AP is to PP is equals to constant. Therefore, AP is to PP is constant, which is the required answer. The most important essay question for 7 marks. Very important sum from the applications of derivatives.